Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Eighth and Taurus. July monthly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So Taurus, let's see your recent past. So I think your recent past, someone is walking away from the connection. Eight of Cups. Your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Libra, also Justice. But one person is walking away from the situation, but one person want this connection and reconciliation in past. They want to offer this cup of love to you. So one person, there is for some already reconciliation happened. For some it is going to be happen. For some there is separation. So let's see what is going on in your connection right now, Taurus. Seven of Swords. The Sun. Wheel of Fortune. Wow. There is some sneaky energy. One person is very manipulative in this connection. Seven of Swords. But they want this connection. Wheel of Fortune. Things are turning in your favor, Taurus, because for some this could be third party situation, children's involved. For some it is happy ending. Definitely the sneaky energy is going to be end and there will be a reunion between both of you. So Wheel of Fortune is here. Things are turning in your favor. So let's see your person, your future actions towards you, Taurus. Clinging to the past, Five of Cups. Those who are in separation till now, they are clinging to the past. They are very depressive. Integration means High Priestess. Understanding, Page of Cups. Yes, they want to apologize for what they did to you in past. Definitely they are thinking, they're thinking a lot, they're trusting their intuition, but they are very sad. For those who are in separation, definitely they want to come towards you and they want to apologize you for what they did to you. So let's pull some cards from universe for final message. New vision, Hangman. Yes, they are seeing things spiritually. Now after you walk away, they will realize your worth. Maturity. Wow. Ace of Pentacles. They want to offer long-term commitment. Ordinariness. Eight of Pentacles. The Outsider. Five of Pentacles. Yes, for those who are in separation, definitely your person feeling very sad, but they seeing things now spiritually. They want to work on this relationship right now because Eight of Pentacles, and they want to offer long-term commitment to you, Ace of Pentacles. So they are stuck right now. In near future they will make a move towards you and they want to offer long-term commitment to you. Hangman is spiritually awakening here. Definitely your person is spiritually awakening. So under the deck, aloneness, hermit mode. Right now he is thinking rather than taking actions towards you. Definitely he will make a move, but it will take time because right now Hangman is stuck also. After he will come towards you and he make move towards you. So this is the reading for you, Taurus. Definitely he will come towards you. Please be patient. So this is the reading for you, Taurus. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.